Hello YouTube, how are you today? We are alright. We can use our bot for learning new words already. There are plenty of basic words in English and Finnish, but what if I know all those words? I need to add more new words into my vocabulary set. So let's create this feature today. There is another set of words I can subscribe to. And I want to do it when the old words are learned. Ready? Let's get started. As usual, we need to create a new message that our bot has to recognize. This time it is message new words. Here we need to make a text message that contains all word sets that a user can subscribe to. So I fetch all vocabulary sets and form a list of them so the user can choose one. And the second important thing is to save new comment in cache table, so the default message can understand this comment right. Then default message gets the new words comment and runs word set subscription function. This function has two purposes. Firstly, check if such word set exists. If it does, connect this word set ID with the user. And secondly, copy new words from repository to particular user words table. Here is an interesting thing. The user vocabulary table has the points column. So when we use the absurd function, we need to use this column. But there is no such element in tag word table. Therefore, I need to add it manually. When I use eloquent methods, the result query has quotation marks, and the query doesn't work properly. That's why I use query builder here. It adds one more column named points, and each row equals 0. After that, I can easily use the result array and hand it to absurd function. This function adds all new words into vocabulary table. Okay, sounds good. Let's try how it works. I push new words button. There are all word sets. I don't have 5, but what if I write 6? There is no such word set. Okay, let's try again. This time all words were in my vocabulary. So the bot says all words are in your word set. And finally I choose 5. There are 2 new words added. That's awesome. This is what was supposed to happen. Okay, you saw that I used a menu for my words and new words comments, but I couldn't use it for answering for quiz or choose a new word set. So next time I'm going to add this feature. And now that is all we have time for today. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.